Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So the question that I am often asked when I tell people that I am software or web developer is why don't just everyone learn to code and possibly also make lots of money? But the truth is that a career in coding is not for everyone, and it is not as rosy as people make it to be if you really think about it. This is because a career in coding carries many real risks. Coding and programming often pays well when you are in your 20s and 30s. Half of the coding careers require a relevant college degree in computer science or cybersecurity, etc. It is becoming cheaper for companies to outsource coding or development work to a country like India rather than pay a full-time engineer. Because of the pace of technology, you often find that the coding skills you picked up in your youth become quickly irrelevant as the years go by. As I said, becoming a professional software engineer or developer is becoming too competitive and hard due to outsourcing. The industry is generally trending towards outsourcing to someone in India for just $5,800 USD a year instead of the average $60,000 per year to a coder based in the United States. In India, $5,800 a year is a respectable upper-middle-class Indian wage. Some stats suggest that India has more English speakers than America does, and they have good universities just like we do. It's not just India though, coders can work in or from any country. Then there is the effect of age. Once your 20s and 30s are up and you're 40 or 50 years old, do you really think you'll be as quick to learn the latest JavaScript framework of the month? Probably not. Do you think you could still learn how to make the latest version of WebAssembly run parallel using web workers on all the major browsers? I know people in their 50s that don't know the difference between double-clicking and single-clicking icons, let alone the difference between Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. Ask yourself, by the time you have 1 to 2 years experience with the latest framework, library or language, will recruiters still be hiring for it anymore? 4 years later, the answer is a resounding no for people that learned jQuery, Angular, HTML 4.1, Python 2.7 or most anything else. Ageism in this industry is a real thing, just like with football players and sex workers. The difference is that those careers don't carry an outsourcing risk. To conclude, yes, coding can be a rewarding and satisfying career, but it also carries several risks. There is the ageism risk, the outsourcing risk, the changing industry risk, and some other risks I haven't mentioned. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comments section below. See you in the next video.